Draw a cow step by step. Drawing for kids. Hi guys, follow along as I show you step by step how to draw and color a cow. Even though this is a drawing for kids, video for kids, adults and teens will have fun with this step by step for kids drawing. Here I have my colors. I have my black marker. I have different size black markers. Here I have an orange marker. I have a pink, and I have my green marker. I think these are the colors which I will be using: black, pink, and green. So I will take my black marker and I will start with the outline of the cow. Ears, another ear, tail, You are watching step by step how to draw and color a cow. Okay, let's draw some pattern on our cows. Let's draw some grass. Our cow is grazing. On some grass. Okay, I have shown you step by step how to draw a cow. Now let's color our cow. Step-by-step drawing and coloring as I show you how to draw a cow. Fun for Kids video on how to draw and color a cow. We're now coloring in the grass. As you can see, our cow, he's grazing on grass. We're just adding some grassy area, some grassy patches. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more fun for kids video. Step-by-step video for kids on how to draw and color. So our cow, she's grazing on some grass patches and she's looking very happy. There you have it, guys. Step by step how to draw and color a cow. This is step by step drawing for kids. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for liking and sharing this video.